Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to talk about straight line, and very important part of a straight line is slope. So let's start the lesson. Basically, what is the meaning of the slope? In the simple language you can say slope means inclination. Okay, slope means inclination. Whenever we see something like this, like we go on the mountain, so we climb on it. Okay, so we have some inclination with the horizontal line, so that is called slope. So it can be upward or it can be downward also. So what is the slope? Slope means it is the inclination. Now when we say about inclination, then in the graph in mathematics we have two lines, x-axis and y-axis. Then again there will be a confusion that it is the inclination with the x-axis or inclination with the y-axis. So to just make the uniformity in the sentence, what we say? We say that the slope is the tangent. It is the tangent of the angle. Tangent means tan, that you have studied in trigonometry. Okay, this is the tan. So it is the tangent of the angle made by the line with positive x-axis. Just remember this thing. Okay, this is important for you. Positive x-axis. When I say positive x-axis, what does it mean? It means I am talking about angle in anti-clockwise direction. In trigonometry you have studied that angle, when it is measured in anti-clockwise direction like this, then it is taken as positive angle. Okay, so slope means it is the inclination of the line with positive x-axis. For example, if you see, this is the line and it is making an angle. Suppose for example this is theta. Angle is theta with respect to positive x-axis, means you see this is the angle taken in anti-clockwise direction. So its slope will be m is equal to tan theta. Okay, this is the first formula for the slope. There are two ways to find the slope. This is the first method by which we can find slope when we have angle of the line with respect to x-axis. Okay, now we can have four cases here, so we will deal four questions with this, and I'm sure you will find it very easy with the help of some geometry. But this is the basic formula. Okay, m is equal to tan theta, where theta is the angle made by the line with positive x-axis, means this should be the angle. Okay, now for example, suppose we have find the slope of the line which makes an angle of 30 degree with positive x-axis. So for example, suppose this is the line and this is making an angle 30 degree, and for the slope we want this angle only. So its slope will be m is equal to tan 30 degree. And what is the value of tan 30 degree? It is 1 over root 3. So this will be your answer. Okay, now second case can be that find the slope of the line which makes an angle of 30 degree with negative x-axis. Negative x-axis means this, measured in clockwise direction. So this is 30 degree, but if we want to apply the formula of slope m is equal to tan theta, then where is theta? Theta should be taken in anti-clockwise direction with x. So this angle should be known. So what will be this angle? You see, it is just a linear pair with 30 degree. So this value will be equal to 150 degree, because this total angle will be how much? It is 180 degree. So here m is equal to tan 150 degree. And how you will find the value of tan 150? It's very easy for you. You can write tan 180 minus 30, and tan 180 minus 30 means minus tan 30, and minus tan 30 means minus 1 over root 3. Okay, so this is the slope for this angle. Now third case can be find the slope of the line which makes an angle of 30 degree with negative y-axis. So y-axis means this is the angle with y-axis, this angle, this clockwise direction 30 degree. But again for the slope we want this angle. So how you will find? You see, this angle is 30, this is 90, because it is angle between x-axis and y-axis. So by using simple geometry, this angle will be 60 degree. So this will also be 60 because of vertically opposite angle or face to face angle. Okay. So what angle we want, it is 60 degrees. So m will be equal to, slope will be equal to tan 60, and value of tan 60 is root 3. So this will be the slope of the line. Okay. Now another slope of the line which makes an angle 30 degree with positive y-axis. So positive y-axis means this is the angle 30 degree, but we are looking for this angle. So what it will be? See, this is 30, so this will be 60, and this is 60, so it will be 120. So m will be equal to tan 120, and how you will find the value of tan 120? It can be written as 180 minus 60 degree. So it is minus tan 60 degree, and minus tan 60 degree means minus root 3. This will be the answer. So these are the 4 cases by which you can find the slope of the line when angle is given, maybe with respect to x-axis or maybe with respect to y-axis. Now let's talk about the slope when it passes through 2 given points. Okay. Now my dear students, for example, I am taking this line here. Suppose this is the line A, B, and A coordinate is, say for example, x1, y1, and B coordinate is x2, y2. Okay. Now its slope will be m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, just try to understand that how you will get this formula. I think I must tell you this also, that how you are going to get this formula, because sometimes I have seen that some students write value of x up and value of y down, so it will be wrong. So for that you must know how to get the formula. See, this is the x-axis and y-axis. Now this is the line what I was telling you. This is the point x1, y1, and this is the point x2, y2. Now in the simple coordinate geometry you have studied that this is the coordinate x1, so this will be x1 and this height will be y1. This is the coordinate x2, y2, so this big distance will be x2 and this bigger height will be y2. If we draw a perpendicular from here, so this upper side will be y2 minus y1 and this side will be x2 minus x1. And if this is the angle theta, so this same angle it will make with the x-axis also, because corresponding angle will be equal. So tan theta m is equal to tan theta. And what is the tan theta in terms of sides? It is the ratio of height and base. So it will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. See how easily you can derive the formula if there is any confusion in the exam. Okay. So I'm sure this formula is very easy for you and you have understood this thing. Now let's talk about one question based on this. Find the slope of the line which passes through the points 2, 5 and 6, 1. So what we can do here? You can take any point as x1, y1 and another as x2, y2. So it will be slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is y2 means minus 1, x2 means y1 means 5 over x2 means 6 minus 2. So this is minus 1 minus 5 means minus 6, 6 minus 2 means 4. So this is minus 3 over 2 is the answer. Okay, like this you can find the slope. My dear students, I will tell you very interesting story. Just it will take maybe few seconds only. See, normally we denote slope by m. Okay, you see in the science, in physics, you have studied that velocity is denoted by v, acceleration is denoted by a, speed is denoted by s. Okay, so why we denote slope by m? Because in the spelling of slope there is no m, and this question was asked in some very higher interview. Okay, so these questions depend on your presence of mind. So what was the reply of that candidate there? He said that whenever we talk about slope, it means we think about the inclination. Okay, and inclination means we always think about mountain. Whenever we think about inclination, we think about mountain. So m is taken from that mountain, and this is the reason that slope is denoted by m. Okay, hope this video was interesting and understandable for you and you enjoyed this video. And if you think that such videos will help you to share your to increase your knowledge, share with your friends. And if there is any problem in the video, please write in the comment. I will try to update myself and I will try to improve the video. Thank you.